Hey there, travel enthusiasts! Ever thought of hitting the French Riviera in February? Well, today we're unveiling why Nice is the spot to be during the off-season. Stick around as we break down the 6 reasons why February is the hidden gem of this Mediterranean beauty. From the mild winter vibes to the local richness, we've compiled 6 compelling reasons that make February a must-visit. Get ready for a virtual tour that might just convince you to pack your bags. And this is Savor the World, where every journey is a story. By the end of this video, you'll be armed with insider tips for experiencing Nice's unique charm in February. So, whether you're planning a getaway or just daydreaming, this guide's your ticket to winter escape. Don't click off, we promise it's worth it. Now, get ready for a burst of excitement before we dive into the goods. We're about to unveil the serene winter stroll along the iconic Promenade de Anglais, the lively burst of colors at Carnaval de Nice, the culinary wonders, and the mild weather escapes. Stay tuned, the best is yet to come. Let's kick off our exploration of Nice with a winter stroll along the famed Promenade de Anglais. Forget the summer hustle. In February, envision a calm Mediterranean breeze, the gentle lapping of waves, and a transformed walkway offering a serene escape. Unlike the lively summer scene, winter welcomes a peaceful ambience. Locals and visitors savor leisurely walks. Joggers enjoy cooler temperatures, and cyclists relish the car-free path. The promenade undergoes a delightful transformation. No more sunbathers, just a tranquil atmosphere and breathtaking views of the Baie des Anges, or Bay of Angels. Embrace the festive spirit as Christmas markets line the promenade, offering handcrafted treasures and local delicacies. Immerse yourself in the local culture, savor regional dishes at cozy cafes, and create lasting memories. Exploring the Christmas markets allows you to delight in festive offerings and discover unique gifts along the promenade. A scenic walk or bike ride becomes a serene experience as you enjoy the car-free path with breathtaking sea views. Take the opportunity to visit nearby museums and attractions, discovering the city's cultural richness at your own pace. Indulge in local cuisine by sampling traditional dishes like saka and dubbed niçoise at the cozy cafes lining the promenade. When venturing out, consider dressing in layers to accommodate the unpredictable winter weather in Nice. Comfortable shoes are a must, as you'll be doing a fair amount of walking. Additionally, even in winter, the sun shines bright, so don't forget to pack sunscreen and sunglasses for your promenade adventure. As we dive into Nice's winter wonders, prepare to be swept away by the vibrant wave of color, music, and laughter at the Carnaval de Nice. This premier carnival transforms the city for 2 joyous weeks in February, offering a cultural extravaganza that's not to be missed. Marvel at the magnificent floats, meticulously crafted from paper mache and adorned with intricate details. Each year, a captivating theme guides the parade, bringing mythical creatures, historical figures, and fantastical worlds to life before your eyes. Larger-than-life puppets and elaborate costumes add to the spectacle, performed by skilled artists and local groups. The heart of the carnival beats in the spectacular parades, known as Corsi. Choose between the daytime processions, bursting with sunshine and family-friendly fun, or the electrifying night parades, illuminated by dazzling lights and pulsating music. Get ready to cheer, dance, and capture the unforgettable moments as the vibrant floats roll by. Indulge in a unique tradition, the Bataille de Fleurs. Witness a playful battle, not with weapons, but with thousands of fresh mimosa blooms showered from beautifully decorated floats. Get swept up in the fragrant chaos and embrace the spirit of joy and lightheartedness. The carnival extends beyond the main attractions. Discover themed exhibitions, live music performances, and street entertainment. Savor delicious local cuisine at pop-up stalls. Mingle with friendly locals and let the festive spirit permeate every moment of your visit. Carnaval de Nice typically takes place in February, February 10th to March 5th in 2024. Purchase tickets online or at designated booths for parades and specific events. Book your stay well in advance, as hotels fill up quickly during carnival season. Continuing our exploration of Nice, let's now indulge your taste buds in the culinary wonders of February. From charming winter markets to cozy cafes, Nice offers a gastronomic adventure that complements the city's cultural richness. Winter markets come alive with local delights, providing a feast for foodies. Explore the festive spirit as you browse through charming stalls, discovering handcrafted ornaments, regional delicacies, and unique gifts. The air is filled with the enticing aroma of Provençal specialties, creating an atmosphere that's as delightful as the flavors themselves. Navigate through the markets, savoring seasonal delicacies, and experiencing the warmth of Nice's winter culinary scene. Cozy cafes along the promenade serve up traditional dishes like saka, chickpea flour pancake, and dab niçoise, beef stew, offering a taste of the city's heart and soul. Beyond the markets, embrace the opportunity to indulge in local cuisine. Whether it's a leisurely meal at a charming cafe or a quick bite at a street-side stall, Nice's culinary offerings are a reflection of its vibrant culture. Now, what's your go-to winter dish? Drop a comment below and let's share our favorite culinary experiences. Foodies, brace yourselves for a delightful treat. From winter markets filled with local delights to cozy cafes serving up Provençal specialties, your taste buds are about to embark on a delicious journey. As we indulge in the culinary delights of Nice, let's talk why February is the ideal time for outdoor enthusiasts seeking a mild winter escape. Nice offers a haven where you can balance city charm with the beauty of nature. Unlike the harsh cold of many European destinations, Nice boasts a pleasantly Mediterranean climate in February, with temperatures ranging from a comfortable 10 to 15 degrees Celsius or 50 to 59 degrees Fahrenheit. It's the ideal weather for exploration, allowing you to embrace the outdoors without the burden of heavy layers. Nice reveals its natural beauty through stunning parks and gardens, providing a perfect retreat for nature lovers. The iconic Promenade de Anglais, lined with swaying palm trees and offering breathtaking sea views, beckons you for a leisurely stroll. Jardin Albert Pognier, a sprawling oasis, invites exploration with its exotic plants, soothing waterfalls, and a serene Japanese garden. For a touch of history intertwined with nature, Phoenix Park's Botanical Garden showcases a diverse collection of flora from different corners of the globe. For those seeking a more active escape, Nice unfolds a network of hiking trails meandering through the surrounding hills. Ascend Castle Hill for panoramic city views or embark on longer treks to explore picturesque villages perched atop the hills. The mild winter weather enhances the joy of these hikes, allowing you to breathe in the crisp air while absorbing the awe-inspiring scenery. In February, Nice not only captures the heart with its city charm, but also offers a refreshing communion with nature, making it a well-rounded destination for all types of travelers. As we wrap up our exploration of Nice, France in February, we've strolled along the serene Promenade de Anglais, danced through the vibrant Carnaval de Nice, indulged in culinary delights, and embraced the mild winter weather. February in Nice is more than just a trip. It's an experience that combines culture, cuisine, and natural beauty. But wait, there's so much more to discover. This was just a glimpse into the winter magic of Nice. Like, subscribe, and let's continue this journey together. Merci for joining us. And until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep wandering.